Yo, what up? My name is Vladimir Riché from ChaseandRider.com. In this video, we're gonna talk about the top 5 useless menswear shit. Run my intro.
You should come rolling my shit.
The best compliment that somebody can pay me is that I dress so well. Although they can't really put their finger on exactly why that is. Just bear with me, you'll understand what I'm talking about. When I dress, I don't really like one thing to overpower something else. But one thing that I notice is guys be trying too hard. This is what this video is about. Feel free to disagree with them, that's cool, but it's my YouTube channel, so. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 things that I see guys doing that we can live in 2018. The first one, tie bars. You don't really need a tie bar. If your tie is gonna move, just let your tie move. You're doing more bad than good. Like, who wants to have a medal right there front and center on your chest? It's one thing to have the tie bar maybe all the way at the bottom where people don't notice it, but no, most guys have it like up here, downright choking them, you know what I mean? Tie bars, you don't need that, doing too much. Second one, pick lapels. Talking about doing too much, notch lapels is all you really need. On a single-breasted suit, pick lapels just doing too much. I know this one's gonna be a little bit controversial because a lot of guys out there do like their pick lapels. If you wanna create your own YouTube channel and talk about how much you love pick lapels, by all means, man, I'll watch. You know, I might not subscribe, but I'll watch. Pick lapels, doing too much. The third one is having your monograms on your shirt cuffs. Come on, man. One thing that I noticed, like, correct me if I'm wrong, or even, you know, check it out next time. The dudes that usually have their initials monogram on their shirt cuffs, they're always reaching for something too, man. You know what I mean? They're always trying to shake everybody's hands. They're always like trying to like reach for a drink. You know, they'll put the drink like far away from them just so they can reach for it. Like, please, man. You know what I mean? It's not even that I'm against monograms. You know, I have monograms on my shirt too, but I have it like somewhere on my torso where nobody can see it unless I took off my jacket. So monogram on your shirt cuffs, doing too much, bro. The fourth one, cufflinks. If you're wearing a tuxedo, cufflinks is cool. But besides that, just wearing a regular suit with shirt with French cuffs and cufflinks, that's the definition of doing too much, bro. Just regular barrel cuffs, that's all you need, man. Cufflinks, definitely doing too much, man. Standing out too much, you don't want that. You want to be classy, dress well, and people can't really pinpoint exactly what it is. Of course, if you're wearing cufflinks, they're like, oh, that was the dude that had on the cufflinks. No. The last one, colorful patterned socks. Why? And you know what's crazy? Just like the dudes with the monograms always reaching for something, most dudes that wear these colorful patterned socks, their shoes ain't even popping. You would think those dudes wearing those colorful patterned socks be wearing some really nice shoes since they want to bring so much attention to their footwear, right? But nah, not the case at all, man. Most guys that wear those colorful patterned socks with like stripes and polka dots and all sorts of crazy colors like orange and yellow, those dudes be wearing some ugly shoes, man. Check it out next time, man. It's like, if you're gonna be wearing that, at least you're wearing some nice shoes that shine well. You know, even then, you know, swag, but at least when I look down, at the end of it, there's something pleasing. But that's not usually the case, which makes no sense to me. So that was my top 5 useless menswear. Hit the thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe, or everybody gonna think that you're a hater, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.